Hello, welcome back to a new video. Here comes Zoe. Are you coming to say hello? Are you coming to say hello? Hi. Hello. Hello there. Hi. I know. Unfortunately, no. She knows what I'm doing. She knows I'm fixing to leave. No, don't bite. No nibbling. She's a nibbler, y'all. I'm a nibbler. I like to love bites. Oh. Okay, so today I'm gonna run some errands. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I have a few things that I need to look for today. I'm not sure if I'm really gonna buy anything yet. I'm kind of just scoping out the stores, trying to find some good deals. So I am working on some ranch house makeovers again. I am starting now that we're kind of got our routine down again. I'm ready to get started on them. I took a break again because it's a lot of work. It's traveling back and forth, doing all the things. It's a lot. So I wanted to wait till the time was right, and I'm ready and excited. And that's whenever I enjoy these makeovers, is when I'm ready and like hyped up about it. But I need curtains, curtain rods. I need all kinds of stuff. I'm actually gonna be working on the playroom, which is the sunroom area. So it's gonna be like a cozy, warm vibe. I want it to be very, I don't want it to look, okay, so here's the thing. I want it to function for adults and for children. I don't want it to just look like too kid-like, but I also want it to be kid-friendly to where they can play on the couches, they can, do whatever in the room and not have to worry about anything. So it has to be pretty functional and work for children too. So that's the plan. But yeah, we're gonna go do some shopping, see if we can find anything for the room, and I'll bring you guys along with me. So I hope you enjoy today's video. These are cool. Five-piece set. Mirror, 2 nightstands, headboard, and dresser. $225. That ain't bad. Huh. I don't see the mirror though. What in the world is this? The coolest thing I've ever seen. How neat. $165. $60. Okay, so if I was to buy these, I would buy both of them and then make a kitchen island out of them. They're $165 a piece, which is not bad at all. Just paint it, change out the hardware to match. Heck yeah. Yo, check this out. This is a stain sprayer. $40. That's not bad. I don't need it though. Right. I guess we'll start here. We'll go down this way. Let's see. I feel like, oh geez, I don't want to break anything. They always have like super cool lights. Like just stuff you don't see anymore, like, how cool. Oh my god, I'm gonna break something. I'm done. Don't touch. Look with your eyes, Karrie. Okay. Let's see the frames they have. Looks like they have the same picture a bunch of times. That's pretty. Very very solid. I bet that's super heavy. What are these? I think they're like shadow boxes. I don't really know. Watch that be worth some money. I have never seen anything like that before. That's pretty cool. Oh, tile. We have tile here. My camera is so blurry. Hold on, let me change the setting. Okay, we'll try this setting and see how it does. My camera has a bunch of different settings. I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, I like these. Oh, it's broken. No. I like this. I wish they had two of them. It'd be cool to switch out my my kitchen. Ooh, look how pretty. I love this. This matches the detail on my door, and it is $85. Oh, here's the other one. Oh, wait, no. They're different. Are they the same? I can't tell. Oh, why would anyone get rid of those? I love them so much. I wish I had a window to put those on. There's the big one, and then you have the two small ones right back there. Oh, those are gorgeous. Oh, here's another one. Oh, man. Love that. Oh, I love these. I'm going to buy these for my bathroom. I'm just going to get two, though. I only need two. But I love that look. How pretty. Okay. Found something. What else do we got? Scared to pull it. I guess it don't open. I like this dresser too. It's pretty. So that store was it was really cool. There was a lot of stuff in there. But I ended up getting two handles, same matching pair. They're $1 a piece, so you can't beat that. And they're nice, like great quality. You can tell they're just like solid. I feel like everything is like kind of pricey, and if you're looking for handles, they're expensive. Even if you order them on Amazon, you have to buy them in like a set. You can't just get two. And I thought it was cool that I found a matching set. That was exactly what I was looking for. So I feel like these are like kind of like on the antique-y side. I like antiques, but I also like modern. But I also like, I don't know what I like. I just like a bunch of different styles combined as one. But anyway, I love those. I got those for $1 a piece. And now I'm going to go ahead and hit the next thrift store and see if we find any good stuff there. Okay, so I know this is a really odd angle, but I have nowhere else to set the phone that I can be like hands-free, so I have like my tripod like stuffed into the side of my steering wheel. But I am currently at Firehouse Subs. I got me a sub for lunch. I haven't had Firehouse in so long. Last time I ate there, it didn't taste that great. I think there was something wrong with their meat because it had like a weird taste, but I got something a little different this time. So hopefully it is super good. I'm starving. This is way bigger than I thought too. I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller, but let's dig in. I was starving, and I should have just went home and ate my meal prep that I prepped, but you know, it's all about balance. This sounded so good. I passed by it, and it's like a new one, and I was like, I really wanted to stop and get a Firehouse sub. I haven't had one in a long time. I usually eat like Subway, but Firehouse, oh my gosh, it's amazing. What are they called? Mukbangs or whatever? Mukbang? I don't know what it's called. Would they like eat on camera and talk and chat? That's not my vibe. So, I'm gonna eat lunch and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, I just got home and my package from Old Navy arrived. So, I'm gonna open it up and see if everything's gonna work. I had to order the kids a few new school clothes because, okay, when I ordered their school clothes originally, I don't know what I was thinking, but I accidentally messed up. I ordered my son the same size as my daughter. I think I was just like really tired the day I was ordering. I messed up. I accidentally ordered all the boys stuff way too big. So I had to get him some new shirts. I also got my daughter a pair of shorts. I think I got him a pair of shorts as well. We just don't have enough school clothes to get us through the week, so I'm like having to wash their clothes like every 2 days, and that's not gonna work because I messed up and I ordered the wrong size, but it's okay. I got new stuff, so I'm gonna open this up and hopefully got some good stuff. Okay, so I got the package open. I have y'all on the small tripod right now, so that's why I'm ducking down. But I got some of these shorts for my daughter for school. I got these for my son, and these have a little band in there because, you know, to tighten around the waist. I love the color of these though. And these are from Old, ow, jeez. These are from Old Navy, by the way. And then I got him the correct size shirts. I accidentally ordered him the little boy size in small, which is way too big. They literally came down to like his knees and they weren't tucked in. So I got him I got him 3 blues and 2 whites. Here's the white, just plain collared little shirts. So anyway, that's all I got. Also, tonight we are taking the kids on a date. So I told them if they had a really good week at school, earned all their points, and I heard nothing but positive from their teacher, that I would surprise them with a fun family night. So we're taking them out on a little date. Dinner, we're going to like a little fun family arcade center, and yeah, gonna have a fun family night. And then tomorrow is when we are going up to my family's property to hang out. We're gonna go for a ride and all the good things. So I figured I will just kind of share as the days go on, but right now I need to put all this stuff away that I decluttered out of my room yesterday. I need to put the new school clothes in the wash, get all that stuff ready. I want to have everything like kind of done before this weekend because we have a busy weekend ahead, like going up to the property, and I'm going to be working on some projects and stuff. I'm full and I'm out of breath. I ate all that sandwich, that whole sandwich. I ate the whole thing and I am stuffed. I could go take a nap. But I'm not going to because I go take a nap is just going to like throw me 10 times more behind. But anyway, I'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so we are on our way up to our property right now. We got the side-by-side loaded up, our old couch. We are going up there to put the couch up there in the room. Also my old TV stand we're taking up there too. I'm probably going to rearrange our bedroom just a little bit to fit the couch in there. I thought it would be really great for like the kids to sleep on when we do have like a weekender up there or whatever. Instead of having to like blow up the little air mattress, they can just sleep on the couch, one of the kids or whatever. So yeah, anyway, that's the plan. I'm going to show you guys my plans for the family room / playroom. And also I need to make sure that my... You're just staring at me? You just staring. But I also need to look at my paints that are up there and see if I have the right color paints. Yeah, he's coming. He had to run into the store real quick. But anyway, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I know the lighting is so bad in here right now, but it's been raining and there's not that great lights in here. All these lights are yellow. So it's like, oh wait, just kidding. That's the only light over there. But anyway, this is the room I'm working on. Next, my plan is to start here and kind of just like work my way around. I'm going to be staining all of this. I'm going to be doing something with this wall here. There will be a TV stand, which is right there, with the TV, DVD player for the kids. All of this wood I will be staining as well. It kind of just stain it all up and around here. It's going to match the same as the stain that I used, so it's going to look really nice. And then we just brought our old couch up here to have for like extra sleeping space for the kids, or like if an adult needs somewhere to sleep. It's always good to have extra spaces. I got to fix the cushions. But got that. I need to rearrange in here and clean up. It's just a mess. We got stuff piled up everywhere. Toys that are going to go in the playroom once it's finished. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm actually going to put the couch over here instead, just to kind of open this space back up again. So I need to go over there and clean that stuff up and have my husband help me. But that's where the couch is going to go. And then we're going to have just, you know, it's going to be back open again. All right, so here is the room rearranged for now. I need to do some like major cleaning up here. I need to come up and bring my shampooer, shampoo the carpets, vacuum, and all the things, but this is the new layout. It's just a lot more functional. It's not as like aesthetically pleasing with the bed against the wall and stuff, but the couch fits. We'll both have places to sleep. Everything functions over here. The TV can actually be plugged in because the wall behind me, there's no plug-in. So it just works better this way. But yeah, that's the new setup. And over the next couple weeks, I will be tackling this whole space here. I'm really excited about it. I brought my old TV stand up here, so I'll be utilizing that. You can see there's all kinds of Play-Doh and toys and stuff I gotta clean up. But that's the plan. Anyway, that's what I was able to accomplish today. Not much, but it's better than nothing.